Okay guys, hello and welcome. Chris here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Zen Titan theme, which is basically a WordPress theme that's optimized for creating affiliate reviews, specifically really for Amazon and also for really any kind of product, ClickBank, JVZoo, etc, etc. So essentially it's going to set you up with a completely done for you affiliate website in just a few minutes. Now the way the page is, the theme is built is that every single page is an affiliate review that is going to take the campaign file that you've created within Zen Affiliate, create a review, and also allow you to embed the video. So each page is going to rank for a keyword like top wireless routers under $100, top virtual reality headsets, best Dell 13-inch laptop cases, whatever the kind of the niche is. Each article is going to try and rank for that particular keyword. So the idea is that we can get traffic from our YouTube videos using the videos we created with Zen Video, and then also with the Zen Titan theme get some free bonus traffic with Google as well. So this is really cool. We can rank on Google for our keyword and also rank on YouTube, see which one does best and get some free traffic however we're going to play it. So what's cool about this is it uses the same importing technology as the file that we created with Zen Affiliate. So if you remember with Zen Affiliate, we started off browsing niches, researched some products, added some data for those products, added them to the campaigns page, added some of those products to the clipboard, and then exported a campaigns file which essentially looks like this. If you open it up, you don't need to open it up, it basically is going to look like that. Top VR headsets January 2017, or whatever the kind of name of that file is. So we exported that, and you'll also remember that this was spun. So even though we entered kind of bits of data that looked like this, almost like data entry, what we ended up with was basically blocks of text that look like that. And the reason that I'm bringing that up is we're now going to take that spun text and turn it into an article within the Zen Titan theme basically. So the first thing that you want to do is to download the theme file from the download page. So just go over to the Zen Titan download page, scroll down to find the theme, which is here, and it also comes with an install guide that will explain exactly how you can install that, and then follow the instructions to install the theme. Now you will need a website and hosting to install this. Okay, there is within this there is some kind of explanation of how you can go ahead and install that. But I am going to be launching a website offer fairly soon that will give you a done for you website along with some additional features that aren't even included within the Zen Titan theme, but you'll have to watch out for my email there. You'll also need to install WordPress, of course. You'll need a website, you'll need a domain name, you'll need hosting, and this is something I do mention as well within the quick start guide on page 36. So this particular step, launching your website with the Zen e-commerce theme, I do talk about it within this step, and I'm actually going to refer to this throughout this video. So a few things that you're going to want to do. The first thing is you're going to want to kind of generally customize your site. Your site's going to look like this. You see you're going to have a logo at the top. You're also going to have categories. Very broadly, think of the niches that you're going to want to target, and think of the name of your website as like an overall theme for those niches. So for example, this here is kind of a demo site, so you can see that the niches don't really go well together. But really this should be like, for example, let's say that this is a VR video, virtual reality. Maybe this should be something like gaming technology, and we could have like VR headsets, we could have like next generation consoles, we could have portable consoles, and we could have maybe like retro gaming or something like that. And then within that we would then have posts or campaigns, articles that we've created that would be with products, basically top 10 lists within each of those. So maybe for like the next gen consoles, we would have best next gen consoles under $1,000, best PC gaming setups, etc, etc. So the first thing you're going to want to do is think of the kind of niche that you want to target, and then break it down into sub niches, which are going to be each individual category. So the domain name, the logo, the website name is going to be the niche, the broader niche, and the categories are going to be your sub kind of niches. You're going to want to create a logo for your chosen niche. And then what you're going to want to do then is to take that campaign file that we've created with the Zen affiliate tool, the zip file, and go ahead and import it to create your article. And the way that we do this is we just, let me just pull up the quick start guide. It's going to be easy to show you here. You're going to want to log into your WordPress admin, which is going to be yourwebsite.com/wpadmin. Click on post and then add new post, and then create a post with the title of your review, or the article that the keyword you want to rank for, and then click publish. So you don't need to put anything in the post at this stage. You can put the video that you've uploaded, so the URL of the video you've created with Zen Video. You can put that in here at the top where it says video. But then what you're going to want to do then is go over to product import, and you should see that you have the post that you've just created. Click on browse, find that zip file that you've pulled up from the campaign page, click on submit, and essentially it's then going to give you a page that looks like this. And I'll just kind of briefly show you this page. You see we have the title of the product, we have the image, we have the rating, we have an overview, and we also have a link here which is going to go to our Amazon affiliate link. And if I just go over to products and just click on this, then you'll see that basically the information that we have here is essentially the same as, I think I've actually changed this image since creating this, but otherwise the information that we've put in here is the same information that's going to be used here, in terms of things like the rating, in terms of things like the title, in terms of other things. So but the text is obviously going to be spun into a full paragraph, as opposed to on Zen Video, where it's just the bullet points that we entered on the research page. So go over to the product importer, import that campaign zip file. Remember to enter your video, which you can do at the top of the page, which is just here. So just under the post, you've got a link to put your YouTube video, youtube.com/watch equals whatever the name of your video is. And then you can go back to the post and edit the information, and it is pretty self-explanatory in terms of what you're going to want to put in. I think the product name, the rating, the URL, the product image, it pretty much all matches up with the data that we already have within this. So as I say, I am going to talk about this the Zen Titan theme. I'm going to talk about this in a bit more detail later on, and as I say, I am going to be launching this website offer, which is going to give everyone a Zen Titan website, along with some additional features you won't be able to get anywhere else. So keep your eye out for that. Very, very big email coming in the next couple of days. I think that pretty much covers it for this video, guys. Thanks again for being a Zen Titan, and I'll look forward to speaking to you soon, so watch out for those emails. Cheers.